take a look at the transit van. It's finished and heading out. Brandon.
Hey.
What do we got here?
Ford Transit.
Yep.
Some of you might have seen the What Went Wrong video. This came from another build company, and we've ended up ripping the entire interior out. The idea was to start with a galley, but we found so much wrong that we just started over.
Yeah, we wanted to save some stuff and kind of do a budget upgrade, and that didn't happen.
Yep, so on this one, it's a kind of a weekend warrior. The clients are really into mountain biking, southern Utah, so the back is a large cargo bike storage area. The base slides out, so you can load bikes onto this. Throw some gear in.
Track system on there.
And then the bed platform is on top of the bike cargo area, which tri-folds open.
And it uses these little thumb screws to take out it. The whole bed system's removable for storage room.
Got a freshwater fill back here so that we didn't have to bust another hole into the side of the
That was a
truck.
Client request. Mm-hmm. The fender washer awning.
Yeah.
We're fabricated a bracket system that's held onto the side of the van through rib nuts now. Much more secure. Less pieces involved with that.
Mm-hmm. And then we've got kind of the start to our galley. This is a table that pops out so that this is a little bolt lock. Keep it secure. Some ventilation for our 12-volt Engel fridge, or isotherm fridge, excuse me. It's a fridge freezer combo.
We moved where the fridge was too originally, so we did.
This way you can access it on both sides.
This lower drawer here is a desk for when the seat is spun around. Makes it into a nice little workstation.
Pops open.
It also has some storage underneath it. The drawer above it is just a regular old drawer.
Then we move into the galley. We have a Dometic triple burner stove, along with a sink.
Missed the Dometic faucet on there.
And then plenty of storage. You can see that all the wood was grain matched. It's pretty clean.
We use hickory and walnut in this cabinetry.
All the interiors are built out of ultralight, and then everything's just clear coated. See here.
We originally had this table.
This table kind of swivels around.
On it, right?
Yep, this is original from the last build. Just kind of, you turn this handle and the whole unit slides off if you just need to get it out of the way or you're not going to be using it. But underneath is our electrical.
So 150 amp hour AMG, Reparadise, inverter. We got the red arc DC to DC charge controller, low voltage disconnect, and a big power switch there.
Yep.
So a lot nicer setup than what was in there originally.
And there's some more storage underneath. And the bed falls forward for...
So queen size.
Yep, queen size bed.
Corkboard, our
overhead
cabinets. Do they stay open by themselves?
Yeah, magic.
And they don't hit the ceiling anymore.
Yeah.
We also went through and redid the woodwork on the ceiling. The window surrounds we patched up, but didn't completely rebuild them, but worked with what we had.
Yeah. Most of the walls we kept intact.
Another cool feature is this little shower setup.
Yeah, we did an acrylic pan. These are aluminum walls. Got a little 12-volt fan. This is connected through the ceiling to the road shower. So potentially could be pretty cold water depending on the time of year. And then just a cassette toilet. And it has a little...
Yeah, so this thing's in a lot better place than it was, 6 months ago?
Yeah.
It was springtime or fall last year when it came in.
Yeah, in the spring. So, you want to jump on the roof or anything?
Yeah, we'll go jump up on top. Here, so let's jump up top.
All right, let's go look up at top. We've got solar up there, the road shower, and only thing that this thing's missing is a little ladder to get up there.
New vent, and everything's sealed up. Nice now. We went through and cleaned up the roof.
So yeah, there she is.
There you have it. It's all about the nice job.